how to stop snoring fast using this one simple trick. And so what happens when you're snoring is that you're mouth breathing at night, and your your mouth passage in your throat is a lot bigger than your nasal passage. We're actually designed to breathe through our nose. And so when we're under a lot of stress and stuff, and we end up breathing through our nose at night, what happens with the snoring noise is that your body knows that you're breathing too much, and so it's trying to collapse the airway so that you have less air. And what happens is that you get breathing and you actually hyperventilate. And when you hyperventilate, you lower the amount of CO2 that you have in your body. Now a certain amount of CO2 is needed because that's what tells oxygen to release to your cells. And so with somebody who has COPD, what happens is they hyperventilate and they deplete their CO2. Their body stops them from breathing. The CO2 builds back up again. Then they start delivering oxygen again and they start breathing again. And so when you're snoring, the big problem is because you're mouth breathing. And so if you want to stop snoring fast, tape your mouth shut at night. Now hear me out on this. I've done this myself, and every time I tell somebody to do this, they say they've had their best sleep ever. Okay, so don't discount it. Just take your, I'm just taking a Band-Aid here for now. So you just take that and you cut a piece off, so all you got is the sticky part, and just put that on your lips. And that's it. You tape your mouth shut at night and you'll stop snoring instantly. And you'll feel a lot better. You'll wake up feeling amazing compared to what you've been waking up like. So if you got a roll of tape, you can use that. I'm just using a Band-Aid because that's what most people have kicking around. And if you can, you'll want to find something that's non-toxic. So you don't want to be using duct tape. I've seen pictures of people who tape, and the tape comes from their forehead and under their chin. And then another layer, like, you don't have to get that crazy with it. Just a little piece, and just in the center, that's all you need, and that'll keep your mouth shut. And this is easy enough for you to try out yourself at night. It's easy enough to try, and you'll see the effects yourself. And so once you do this, I want you to come back here and let me know in the comments here how it worked out for you. So to stop snoring fast, tape your mouth shut. All right. So, make sure you give me the thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, have a good one.